Let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have solved second question of a linked list, and now we have to solve third question of a linked list, which is reverse linked list. Okay. So in this question, there is given a single linked list and head. You just have to return the list. You just have to return the list in a reverse order. Okay. So what this question tells? Just suppose there is given a linked list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5. This is the linked list. You just have to reverse the linked list and return the list. Return the head of the reverse list. Okay. So what is the reverse? Reverse is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So you just have to reverse the list and return the head. So you just have to return this. You just have to return this list. Okay. So how can you do this? First you have to create a dummy list, dummy which is initially at the null. So let's understand with this example. You just have to create a dummy node which is null, okay. And here you create a, this is head, and you just have to create the future which is head ka next. This is head, and then you just have to do head ka next. You just point the head ka next to the null, and dummy will become here, dummy will point here, okay, and head will move here, okay, and future will point here. Again you just put head ka next at the dummy, so this will keep traversing, and after this you just have to return this. Okay, so I hope you understand. So let's do this. First you create a link list, list node. It's list node star, which is dummy. Initially it is null, and then you have to create a, you have to check while head is not equals to null, then you just have to traverse the linked list. You have to create a list node star, which is future head ka next, and head ka next should point to the dummy node. Dummy will point at the head, and head equals to future. Okay, so I hope you understand this code. And after this while loop, you just have to return the dummy node. Okay, so I hope you understand. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code has been accepted. Let's submit this code. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.